Yes, ma'am.
So cause and effect essay has, basically it comes in a problem essay, and problem essay can be asked in 6 different ways. We will say ask now how. So any problem has 3 components. There are causes of that problem, there are effects of that problem, and there are solutions of that problem. So problem essay has 3 elements. Basically, I would say 4. One is the problem. Number 2 is what is the cause of that problem. Second, what is the effect? And the other one is what is the solution for this problem, right? So this one can be asked in various combinations. You know, they give you a problem. So first type of essay can be, they give you the problem and they will say, just tell us what are the causes of this problem. Second essay can be, they will give you the problem and they might ask you what are the causes and effects of the problem. Third combination can be, they will give you the problem and they will say, okay, give us the cause and the solution. So what I'm trying to tell you is that all these 4 elements of this kind of essay can be asked in any combination. Cause and effect, cause and solution, effect and solution. Oh, I can see you, Harjinder. So as I was telling you before, that this essay can come in a combination of any, element. They might ask you one only element like cause or effect or solution. Or, for example, coronavirus is running, so this is X number of people have died of coronavirus. What are the causes of, coronavirus? Or what are the solutions of the, coronavirus disease? So basically, you have to clearly see that what the essay is asking you to do. So if it is asking you to do one thing only, let us say if it's asking you only cause, or only effect, or only solution, then you have to follow the rule of 3. So Mukesh is very much familiar with rule of 3, but Herman, for you, it is new. The rule of 3 means 3 points. What are the 3 effects? What are the 3 causes? What are the 3 solutions? If one thing is being asked. But if 2 elements are being asked, they say what are the causes and what are the effects? Or what are the effects and what are the solutions? Or what are the causes and what are the solutions? Then again, would you take 3 causes and 3 effects? No. Then we are coming to 2 causes and 2 effects. Okay? So we have to limit our thinking. As an adult, you will think many causes are there, many effects are there, many solutions are there. But what are the 2 top causes and what are the 2 top effects there? So considering that, your number of points to be explained, if 2 things are being asked, should not be more than 4. If 1 thing is asked, then it should not be more than 3. Why I'm limiting you? Because the essay is only 250 words. So in 250 words, you cannot write a lot. You cannot. Yeah. You will get lost. And you have a beginning, you have middle, and you have end. So if there will be more points, you will be losing the effectiveness of the points that you already have. So more is not the merrier. More is not the merrier means not more points are needed. Less points, and we take a stand that this is, for example, they are asking about what are the causes of, widespread of coronavirus. There may be many causes, but we are looking at only top 3. Right. So restrict your brain when you're doing brainstorming. Okay, let me identify if there are 1 or there are 2 things being asked. Okay, do you understand this? The
Yes,
type of question that will be asked and how many points you have to give. Now, what is the next thing is that how, you are going to write an essay. Each essay has an introduction, body, and conclusion. So basically, I'm going to talk a little bit more about the body. Do not worry about introduction and conclusion right now. So let me talk about the body. Body of cause and effect essay can be written in two different forms. Now, one is called as block method, another is called as chain method. Okay? So every essay that you're going to write basically falls under two types of body paragraphs that you can write. Then you can carry on with block method, or you can carry on with point method. Okay. So what is block method? So block method is if they're asking you two things, causes and second is effect. So either you can write all the points of causes in one paragraph. So two causes in one paragraph and two effects in second paragraph. So it is a block of causes and block of effects. One block of causes, one block of effects. Or you can use cause, effect. Cause, effect. So in certain cause and effect essays, there's a cause and there is a parallel effect going on with that. So then one paragraph is cause and effect paragraph, another is also cause and effect paragraph. This is called as point by point. So you took one point, the cause of that point and effect of that point, and second cause point and second effect point. So you have to see which one do you want to use. Is it okay? Can I move to the third point that I need to teach you?
Yeah.
Okay, so cause block method or cause or point by point method, that you have to decide in your brainstorming. Right? Now I'm going to talk about effects. There is something called as ripple effect and dominoes effect. Okay, so let us say effect of, sometimes if I'm rude with you, let us say I'm rude with you, so it has some effect on you, right? So you will get rude with your roommate or your family member or your boss or your peer because I was rude with you. So you get rude with other person, and the other person gets rude with the other person. So this is a chain of effect from one to second to another to third. So this effect is also called as a ripple effect. Ripple, when you throw a stone in the water and the water creates ripples. So the one ripple creates another ripple and the third ripple and the fourth ripple. So sometimes the effect is ripple. Many times the effect is ripple effect. It's also called as dominoes effect. Have you seen those videos where those dominoes are standing like this, and then they push this one, and the next get pushed, next get pushed, and push.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
You seen that? Yeah. So that is it's also called as dominoes effect. So you can use these two words in your essay, that it has domino effect, like one thing leading to another thing.
Dominoes.
Dominoes. D-O-M-I-N-I-O, like how we eat Domino's pizza. Do you see that sign on Domino's pizza? There's a symbol of that little box.
Box,
called,
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So Dominoes are falling like this. Okay. So effect can be in the form of dominoes effect or ripple effect.
A ripple effect.
Okay. Good. Got it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Move to the next. Any question? Any question? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now the second effect is, for example, now with coronavirus disease all across, so we have ripple effects, but we have other effects also. Like, for example, effect, we can say social effect, economical effect, emotional effect, political effect. So these are other effects that we are having. So at economic level, people are suffering from, making money and all that. From social impact is that we are not meeting people, we are staying in. So there are effects at different levels, at different platforms. One is social platform, another is economical platform, another is personal, another is mental, another is emotional. So psychological, sociological. So political, economical. So you can write down these 4-5 words so that when, whenever you have an essay, you can see, oh, can I bring effects in this term? Okay, now the next thing that I'm going to talk is, let us say, now coronavirus has, our social effect. So if you pick up social effect, within social effect, you will see, okay, we are staying away from people. So within social effect, there is a dominoes effect.
Okay.
Right? Did you get that? Like, we are staying away from our friends. So that's one effect. So that effect leads to feeling of loneliness. Feeling of loneliness gives you to frustration. Frustration gives you to depression. So within one level of effect, if you can pick up, there is a dominoes effect.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. So Mukesh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, somebody called you. Now it's good.
Okay. All right. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Did you get the understand? Did you understood how this essay should be considered?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's start working. Any other question that you have?
Okay, ma'am.
Herman, any question?
No, no.
No. Okay. So again, the recap of what I talked is, number one, when you read the essay,
Effects.
identify whether it is cause, effect, or solution.
Social.
Depending on if there are two
Social.
elements or only one element, you can just take, depending on if it is one element, you will put out 3 points. If there are two elements, you'll put two points. Right? Okay. So effects, I already told you, it can be, dominoes effect, one effect leading to another effect. So this is a problem there. Here I will see problem in your essay writing, that when one effect is leading to the second one, to the third one, you will not write that. You will jump to the final effect. People will die. Right? Coronavirus, people will die. So how from one word to the final, your brain jumps to the final thing. But what are the steps in between? So they will get infected. They will have serious health issues. They will spread this virus. Then they'll be admitted to the hospital. They'll be put onto the ventilators. And if they have underlying health conditions and if the proper medical assistance doesn't meet, then they will die. Right? So in between things, that is what I see students get missed on. Too early, you reach too far. Remember this sentence, very important. Too early, too far. So too early, too far means बहुत जल्दी to see final conclusion पे पहुंच जाते हैं.
Yeah, true, ma'am.
Okay. This. Okay. So now let's go to the essay that I've given you. Can you open that essay that I've sent you on Google?
And nowadays we are producing more and more rubbish.
Yes, yeah. Nowadays we are producing more and more rubbish, yeah.
Okay. Why do you think this is happening? What can government do to help reduce the amount of rubbish?
So did you read this essay and how many elements are there?
1, 2,
Are there only 1 or 2 or 3?
3, ma'am. 3.
2.
2? Yes, Mukesh, how many?
As for my ma'am, 3. Right.
No, it says now we are producing more and more rubbish. So why do you think this is happening? Why do you think this is happening? Means there are causes,
Causes.
right? So this is the cause. And what can government do to help reduce the amount? So what is this? Is it effect or solution?
Solutions.
Solution. So there are only 2
1.
things here.
2, 1.
Yeah. One is what are the reasons and what are the solutions. So how many reasons are you going to write here?
2.
2, ma'am.
2. Yeah. So 2 reasons and how many solutions?
2.
2. Right. So because there are 2 things, so 2, 2.
Yeah.
Now I will give you 2 minutes. I want you to think about 2 causes and 2 solutions of this. Just brainstorm and write down your 2 causes, not in detail, just the quick answer, just the quick answer. These students are still trying it on. The student has only cell phone. She does not have computer or laptop. So how they are going to do it? I don't have any other device except cell phone. Oh.
So, ma'am, he or she using the cell phone, ma'am. I am using cell phone, but I am using mail on the computer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but people do not have any other thing. So how they are going to do it, right? So then they
Cell
don't
phone,
have
I
any
think
other thing.
cell phone is very easy, ma'am, for Zoom app. It's very, very easy.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. So just work on 2 causes and 2 solutions.
Social networking.